Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. I am Vicky from Diplomatary Accounting, State University of Jakarta. I will presentation about my thesis, analysis of the management of school operational assistant fund or BOS, case study at elementary school Rutan Kayu Utara, 08 Matraman, East Jakarta. Okay, I start. The first one is chapter 1 about background. The background is school operational assistant is a government program which is basically to provide non-personal operating funds for basic education units as implementing compulsory education programs. According to the Ministry of National Education Regulation number 69 of 2009, standard non-personal operating costs are the standard cost required to finance non-personal activities for 1 year as part of the overall education fund so that educational unit can carry out educational activities regularly and continuously according to the national education standard. However, there are several types of investment and personal financing that are allowed to be financed with BOS fund. In addition to being corrupted by BOS funds, there are often delays in sending them. This is like what happened in Bitung City. The mayor of Bitung, Mauritis Mantiri, admitted that he had prepared a solution for the delay in the school operational assistant fund, which is often an obstacle for school to implement. Based on the background of the problem, the authors are interested in conducting a study with the title Analysis of the Use of School Operational Assistant Funds or BOS, case study at Elementary School Rutan Kayu Utara 08 Pagi, Matraman District, East Jakarta. And formulation of the problem. What is the procedure for applying for BOS funds at Elementary Rutan Kayu Utara 08? And the second, how is the implementation of the operational assistant fund management for elementary school Rutan Kayu Utara 08? And then chapter 2, theoretical study and writing methodology. And the first is public sector organization. As Nardiawan, public sector organization also carry out economic and financial transaction, but unlike economic entities seeking profit. The economic resources of public sector organization are managed not for profit purpose. Bes Mardiasmo, public sector budgeting is related to the process of determining the amount of fund allocation for each program, an activity and monetary
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Aspects that must be included in the public sector budget include 1. Planning aspect, 2. Control aspect, and 3. Public accountability aspect. Mardiasmo, the public sector budget is divided into 2, namely, the first, operational budget, and the second, capital or investment budget. Cerifudin research explained that the public sector budget is made to help determine the level of community needs, such as electricity, clean water, quality health, education, and so on, so that they are properly guaranteed. Standard 1 states the budget realization is a process that must be realized to become a reality and real implementation so that the realization can be in accordance with the desired expectation. And then education fund. Thomas Inuliasa in 2011 explained that education funds include direct and indirect funds, as well as public funds and private funds. According to Sagala, education costs include direct costs and indirect costs. Source of fund in elementary school come from the government and the community. According to Wardani, explained that the main source of funding for education in elementary school comes from the central government and local government. And next, school financial management. Filed in Sagala 2013, administration is a function in a commercial organization WOS elements are planning, organizing, giving order, coordinating, and supervising. Based now we explain that fund management activities are included in administrative activities, namely financial administration, because in it there are planning, organizing, guidance, and direction activities, control, communication, and administration. And next, school operational assistant or BOS. The Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia said that school operational assistant is a fund used primarily to fund non-personal expenditure for primary and secondary education units as implementers of compulsory education program, and it may be possible to fund several other activities in accordance with the provision of the regulation. The amount of BOS funds received by elementary school in the 2021 fiscal year is Indonesian rupiah 900 to 1.960 Indonesia rupiah per student per year, starting January 2021. Based on this explanation regarding the use of BOS, it can be concluded that in essence the use of BOS funds must be in accordance with applicable regulation, especially for school operational activities. School income and expenditure budget plan. The Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia states that school operational assistant is a fund as primarily to fund non-personal expenditure for primary and secondary education unit as implements of compulsory education program, and it may be possible to fund several other activities in accordance with the provision of the legislation. And then framework of thinking. At the first, BOS funds from the education office are then managed by basic education unit. Besides that, there must be factors that hinder the management of BOS funds. Then the basic education unit plans the budget that has been given. After that, implements and minister the budget that has been planned. And finally, the basic education unit is responsible for report the BOS funds. And then writing method. This study used a qualitative research method with an exploratory approach. According to Ari Kunto, the exploratory method is a research method that aims to dig up information. The exploratory approach in this study seeks to find more complete or detailed and in-depth information on how to manage BOS funds and the inhibiting factor in managing BOS funds in the basic education unit at elementary school Rutan Kayu Utara. And data collection technique used, the data collection technique used in this study use the following collection method. And the first, interview, and the second, documentation. And next, data analysis technique used. The next step of qualitative data analysis used in this study is the Mills and Huberman model. Mills and Huberman's data analysis activities in SIGONA consist of data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification, which are carried out interactively and take place continuously until complete, so that the data reach saturation. And the next is chapter 3 about discussion. As description is elementary school Rutan Kayu Utara. 08 is located on Galur Street, Tari, RT 003, RW 007, North Rutan Kayu, Matraman District, City of East Jakarta, DKI Jakarta Province. Standing on an area of 2,004 meter and a building area of 1,568 4 meter. A 6 classroom, 1 laboratory, a library, and a prayer room. There are 3 sanitation units with 78 male students and 79 female students. Consisting of 5 study groups, there are 8 teachers who teach using the 2013 curriculum. And case description, the first procedure for applying for BOS funds at Elementary School Utankayu Utara 08. And the first data collection process for school operational assistant reception. This process is the stage where each school collects data on the number of students that is used as data for recipient of school operational assistant or BOS funds and collect the National School Identification Number or NPSN, which is used as a reference or the amount of school operational assistant funds that will be lower. Each school will apply the basic education data from BOS 01A, BOS 01B, and BOS 01C as needed. The cost of photocopying the form can be charged from BOS funds. And second, the process of determining the allocation of school operational assistant funds. At this stage, verification of the data on the number of students in each school is carried out based on the basic data of education. Based on the data on the number of students collected or received by the regency or city team from each school. The Ministry of Education and Culture will then determine or make an allocation of BOS funds for each regency or city of province by the Ministry of Education and Culture and then send it to the Ministry of Finance for processing. And the three, preparation for the distribution of school operational assistant funds in the region. This process explains how the school operational assistant funds from the central level to the school level are carried out in two stages. The first, distribution from the state general treasury to the provincial general treasury, and the second, distribution from the regional general treasury to school account that have submit the data. And the fourth, distribution of school operational assistant funds. The distribution of BOS funds that have been determined will be divided quarterly 3 months with the following condition. The first quarter from January to March, the second quarter from April to June, the third quarter from June until September, and the last quarter, fourth quarter in October to December. And the next, implementation of operational assistant fund management for elementary Utankayu Utara 08. Pagi, the first BOS fund planning. The preparation process consists of two questions, namely the process of preparing the school activity plan and budget and the plan for the use of funds. The process of preparing the school activity plan and budget or RKAS is carried out by first compiling activities and then determining what capital and goods will be purchased. This plan is then discussed by all teachers and the school committee. And the next, fund distribution. The distribution of BOS funds at Elementary School Utankayu Utara 08, Matraman District, Jakarta was obtained from interview with the principal, BOS treasurer, teacher, and the school committee. In 1 year, the school received BOS funds which are divided into 4 quarters, with the distribution of 20% in the first quarter, 40% in the second quarter, and 20% in the third quarter, and 20% in the fourth quarter. For now, funds are no longer given to students on the ground that a lot assistance has been given to students. So the 20% assistance has been diverted to purchase textbook based on curriculum 13. The allocation of BOS funds for each school for distribution and quarterly BOS is based on the public data, with the provision of the 1st January-March quarter, 2 April-June quarter, and 3 July-September quarter, and 4 October-December quarter. And the next 3, BOS funds withdrawal. The process of taking elementary BOS funds through the channeling bank from the central government, which is then transferred to the school account by the school. There is a separate procedure for collecting BOS funds. Withdrawal of elementary BOS funds must use a giro check signed by the principal and BOS treasurer. by showing proof or ID card or license driving. And the next use of BOS funds, this use of elementary BOS fund is only to finance non-personal operational activities. The process of using elementary BOS funds is carried out in accordance with the elementary BOS RIB that has been prepared by the school at the beginning of the budget period. BOS funds are used for purchasing school stationery, doubling question and providing answer sheet, purchasing educational equipment, purchasing tools and consumables, and organization student or extracurricular activities, maintenance and minor repairs of school facilities or infrastructure, school power and service activities, preparation of and reporting, as well as quality improvement, procurement of textbook, admission of new student, maintenance of infrastructure, payment of monthly honorarium for non-service teacher, power and service subscription, school maintenance, teaching profession, financing for BOS management, purchase and maintenance of computer equipment. And the 5, BOS fund reporting. To dig up information about the reporting on BOS funds, the research asks 7 questions to the principal, treasurer and head of the school committee. The 7 questions are as follows. Elementary School Utan Kayu Utara 08 has been able to compile the RKS according to the predetermined format. However, sometimes the school also experienced a little difficulty because of the standard format as stated by the school research. The reporting time for BOS funds carried out by Elementary Utan Kayu Utara 08 is every quarter 3 months in accordance with the disbursement of BOS funds. And the next 6 reporting obstacles. There are a number of technical and non-technical obstacles to reporting BOS funds. Obstacles that are technical in nature are the technical guidelines for reporting, which change almost every year, so that the treasurer must wait for instruction first, or even when the report is made, it turns out that the technical instructions are updated, so that the treasurer has to work twice in making report. And next, case analysis. The first, BOS fund management. BOS funds planning based on the research interview with Nurfadila SPD MM and Nurmayanti SPD as the principal and tertiary of BOS. Information can be obtained then in planning. A meeting is held between the principal, teacher, school committee, and school guards. The purpose of this meeting is to find out what the school needs and to know the needs of teacher for the implementation of the learning process. Then the RKS was made. This is in accordance with Government Regulation number 19 of 2005, Article 53 concerning national education standard, namely the annual work plan should include a budget plan for the income and expenditure of the education unit for a 1-year working period. The next theory, according to Husni, is that planning is made by school principal, teacher, school staff, and school committee administrator. They hold meeting to determine needs and determine school activities within a certain time. And next, distribution of funds. The distribution of BOS funds is divided into 4 quarters, where each quarter is divided by 20% in the first quarter, 40% in the second quarter, 20% in the third quarter, and 20% in the fourth quarter. The BOS treasurer and teacher also said that the distribution of funds was divided into 4 quarters. This is in accordance with Permendikbud number 6 of 2021, which states that BOS funds will be given for 12 months for the period January to December 2021. Namely, quarter 1 and 2 of the 21 and 20 and 21 fiscal year to 2020 until 2021. Academic year and quarter 3 and 4 of the 2021 fiscal year. So the research can conclude that the understanding of the school principal and the BOS founder regarding the distribution of BOS funds is in accordance with Permendikbud number 6 of 2021, because the principal has distribute BOS funds in accordance with applicable regulations. The three, withdrawal of BOS funds. The process of taking BOS fund is carried out by the BOS treasurer with evidence of a signature and or approval from the principal and the BOS treasurer. This is in accordance with Permendikbud number 6 of 2021, which states that the withdrawal of BOS fund is carried out by the school treasurer with the approval of the principal and can be done at any time as needed by leaving a minimum balance according to applicable regulation. This minimum balance does not include the education. And for use of BOS funds, the use of BOS fund to finance non-personal operational activities such as infrastructure for teacher require textbook and learning media, so it adjusted to the available funds, payment of honorary salary, the process of accepting new students such as buying stationery and purchasing teacher's night, financing exams such as midterm exams, semester 1 and 2 exam, extracurricular activities such as scouts, drum band, kasidah. Well, if there is an Olympiad, transportation money is given to accompanying student and teacher. The public sport equipment, school activities and service, preparation and reporting, as well as quality improvement, procurement of textbook, admission of new student, maintenance of infrastructure, payment of monthly honorarium for honorary teacher, subscription for power and service, school maintenance, teaching profession, financing for BOS management, purchase and maintenance of computer equipment. And the next, BOS fund reporting. School are able to make report format according to instruction. Reporting time at the end of the elementary school BOS fund period. The party was given the report by the district education office and the reporting center for the elementary school BOS management team. The report on BOS funds at elementary school Tankayu Utara 08 is clear and well organized and neat, where the RKS is signed by the principal, school committee, and specifically for school. This document is kept at the school and shown to the school supervisor, city BOS management team, and other inspector. This is in accordance with Permendikbud number 6 2021, which states the RKS report is signed by the principal, school committee, and specifically for private school, plus the chair of the foundation. The document is equipped at the school and shown to the school supervisor, district or city BOS management team, and other inspector when necessary. And the next obstacle in managing BOS funds at elementary school Tankayu Utara 08, Matraman District East Jakarta. Obstacle that occur during the management of BOS funds are the delay in distributing BOS funds and the lack of socialization of change to the rules carried out by the education office to school receiving BOS funds, so that the school repeatedly takes care of the RKS to the education office and also lacks a BOS treasurer in the use of computer technology, so that the principal assign operator to work on the RKS so that it can be completed quickly. And the next chapter 4 is about conclusion. The first is the procedure for submitting BOS funds at elementary Tankayu Utara 08 has followed Permendikbud number 6 2021, namely by submitting a list of students receiving BOS funds in the relevant academic year to the BOS management team at the city level, which is then verified and submitted to the provincial level for process to the center. And the second, the management of BOS funds, which consists of planning, channeling funds, taking funds, using funds, and reporting BOS funds at elementary Tankayu Utara 08, Matraman District East Jakarta, has been running in accordance with applicable regulation, such as in school planning had when the principal, teacher, school committee, and school guard to discuss what needs are needed by school and teacher to support the learning process. The third barrier or obstacle in managing BOS funds are the delay in dispersing BOS and the lack of socialization carried out by the education office to school receiving BOS. Funds due to change rules so that the school repeatedly takes care of RKS to the education office and also lacks BOS treasury in the use of technology. The computer office shall provide socialization or training to school principal, school committee, and the community on the BOS program, including through empowering school supervision, providing guidance to school managing and reporting BOS. And then education. The first is it is better for school to increase socialization related to BOS funds to parents. The principal of elementary school Tangkayu Utara 08 shall conduct training in the use of IT to the BOS treasurer so that the treasurers can complete the RKAS quickly. And the three school principals shall seek more information about the management of BOS funds so that mistakes do not occur in the preparation of the RKAS. And then, thank you.